includes vote counting activities, with a live stream made available to you, the public, in counties with 100,000 residents or more. Those in large counties would also be required to install tracking software to monitor all input and on electronic devices used to count votes. I mean, how many people were worried about, well, somebody hacked into this or hacked into that, and these votes went overseas to be counted and came back through a different entity? Okay, this takes care of all that. All right? You got to install a video surveillance system. Make it a live stream available to the public in county.
You know that I'm the sheep of Araby, and your love belongs to me. All the stars that shines above, yes, we will light. Love.